name is Lagarre, and I'm the Vice President of Micrium. We are really proud at Micrium to be a Renesas valued partner, and we are really excited to be present for the second time at the Renesas Developers Conference. At Micrium, we develop embedded software components, and our expertise is well renowned in areas of real-time kernels and communication stacks. And one of these stacks is a TCP-IP stack, and I will be giving you a lab with hands-on activities at the Renesas DevCon. This class with code ID 221L will be held on October 13 from 1:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the Lagarre room. Let me tell you a bit of what you're going to be learning during that hands-on lab. When you want to embed TCP-IP, there's a few questions that needs to be asked about the design. First, what is the Ethernet controller? Because we're talking about the Ethernet being the ubiquitous kind of local area network. So what is the Ethernet controller you're going to be using? What are its capabilities and how is it going to be used? And that's really different from the perspective of an embedded designer versus the perspective of a software engineer. Normally, a software developer will only be concerned about the socket interface. But as an embedded engineer, you want to configure the Ethernet controller, initialize it, configure the clock management, configure the power management so that you get this Ethernet controller going, and with the driver associated with it. And then finally, take a look at the performance, because performance will vary depending on the architecture of the Ethernet controller. And this is some of the material we'll be looking together. Also, you have to ask a question for your application. Is your application going to use UDP or TCP at the transport layer? Because the answer to this question will also have an impact on the resources and the performance you'll be able to get. Finally, of course, does your system require connectivity or sustained throughput through its lifetime? So again, this is some of the topics that we'll be covering in the hands-on activity. And this lab is based on the Renesas SH7216 board, the one that was designed and that accompanies the MicroCOS 3 book. And out of the hardware, additionally, so this is the MicroCOS 3 book for which the board was designed. But all the activities and the lab in this class will be based on the book I wrote, TCP-IP, which was also published by Micrium Press this year. So I hope I'll be able to see you in the lab and also at the conference in October 2010. See you then. Goodbye.